Hey all my retro lovers, check out this vintage bouffant. I'm going to teach you how to do it in less than 5 minutes and without teasing your hair. You ready? Are you having a bad hair day? Is your hair oily? You don't have time to straighten it, or like me, your roots are growing out? Don't worry, I got your back. When your hair is a mess and you want to look super chic but you don't have a whole lot of time, all you need is just a few things and about 5 minutes and we'll smash out a hairstyle that makes it look like you've spent all morning on it. This hairstyle covers everything. It takes less than 5 minutes. You don't even have to tease your hair if you don't want to. As long as you have the right components or you can improvise, we can get this done like that, and it's gonna look like you spent all morning on your hair. This one is one of my go-tos. Okay, so for this one, you're gonna need a hairbrush, some bobby pins. I use a hair rat, which is teased hair in a hairnet, a clip-on fringe, and a hair scarf. Welcome back. All right, so first things first. The reason I love this hairstyle, it doesn't have to be perfect. Around the crown of my head, just section all my hair forward with no particular skill or talent. Take your hair rat, pop it here, so it's on the crown of your head. And with all this hair flipped forward, you just want to take one and just bobby pin it in. That helps it to not fall off. I personally like to put one here as well, so that way it gives you a bit of stability. Now my hair rat needs a bit of love. I need to make myself a new one, but it will do, it will do. So then, just take this hair here, lift it up to the back, we're just gonna pin it. And again on this side. So if you're using a hair rat, you just wanna use your nails or a comb to make sure it looks covered. And if you've got finer hair like me, give it a bit of a tease just to make it sit up like that. Again, grab, if you want to, one push down is gonna help it stay a bit more throughout the day, and pin it. So I generally like to get as much of the hair back as possible. See, like that. Take your fringe. Get it to a nice height. This one won't make it move too much throughout the day. Now that it's on, take your brush and pin that around too. So you see that cone already building without having to tease it. Now don't worry too much about this part here because that's actually gonna get covered by our scarf. I just take the bottom, twist it, and very messily, just chuck a pin in it. You can spend time perfecting if you want to, but I just try to cover it. It's not perfect. Keep pinning back any side parts that are coming down because once the weight of the scarf is added, it's only gonna get worse. If you really want to, you can spray it, but I'm just pretending we're somewhere that doesn't have hairspray today. So take your scarf. This one, as you can see, is long and wide. And of course it's leopard print, come on, it's me. All right, so I prefer, because this is long, I'll take it, place it on top, and then when I bring it around, I just cross it over behind, and I try to keep it thick, because we want to cover the back of the hair, because it's a bit messy back there, see? Pull it up and over. I'll just bring it back down again. Tuck it in underneath. And put a pin in each side so that the scarf can't fall out. And that is it, less than 5 minutes. So I hope that helped you get a quick, sexy, retro look that looked like it took hours in just a few minutes. If this helped you out, help a sister out and click like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, or you can follow me on Instagram at Cassidy La Crème. Don't forget to check out my new single on Spotify and just keep being your amazing self. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Love you. What? Oh my God. You're like, girl, is anything about you real?